Welcome to Jubeck Asset Management on YouTube. I'm Jim Jubeck, and today's topic is hot money moves now. The dollar down, euro and yen up. So I'm going to give you a couple of ETFs to look at. Now, one thing that's embedded in the market right now. We've recovered from the drop after the April 2nd announcement of higher tariffs. We're now basically break even from that point. And one of the things about that rally is that it's predicated on the Fed cutting interest rates. Well, what seems to be missing from that analysis or from that attention span, and the market can really only think of one or maybe two things at the same time. It has trouble walking and chewing gum. Okay, let's put it that way. Is that if the Fed cuts rates, because it's an economic slowdown in the United States, that means the dollar is going to get weaker. That's not necessarily a bad thing in the long run. It means that U.S. exports will get, U.S. products will get cheaper for global consumers, assuming that anybody can buy them with the tariff rates. But anyway, the dollar is weaker. And that doesn't seem to be in anybody's calculus. So a while ago, I added the Invesco Japan Yen CurrencyShares Trust. It's an ETF that tracks the yen versus the dollar, and it's FXY. I added that to my volatility portfolio, and it's up about 10% year to date, because the yen is getting stronger as the dollar gets weaker. This hot money move now is to think about the euro too. I notice this every time I go to the bank to withdraw cash. The dollar's down, the euro's up. Not necessarily great for living expenses here in Venice, where I am now. But a fact of life. So the Invesco CurrencyShares Euro Trust ETF, FXE, is up about 9.38% year to date against the dollar. My suggestion is, look, a lot of, if you can pick stocks that are about to bust out on company-specific news, fine. But I also like to have a general sense that I'm with the wind as it's blowing in the market as a whole. And I think for the next 6 months or so, we're looking at a weaker dollar. You've got a chance to pick up 3 or 4%, 5-6% on the euro and the yen versus the dollar. That's a nice base return at a time of insecurity. Certainly, if I had some savings, I'd think about maybe moving some of it from dollar-denominated assets to yen and euro-denominated assets. You can just do it these currencies in the ETF market, and that's better than the almost 8% decline on the U.S. dollar versus the U.S. dollar index. That's the DXY that tracks the dollar versus a basket of trading partner currencies. Okay, so that's my fast money move now suggestion. Euro, yen, dollar weakness. If you like this video, please go to my YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get the next one. You get notification of when we do the next one. We're trying to do about 3 a week, but it's been hard lately. I find Venice really, really attractive in the spring. So it's hard to sit at my desk. Anyway, so that's for free. You can also get free stuff at jubeckpicks.com. That's got 1 or 2 posts a day, as well as 3 portfolios, free. My jubeckam.com subscription site has got those same 3 portfolios, 12 to 18 month, 5-year, and dividend, plus an ETF portfolio of 5 ETFs, a volatility portfolio where we're doing some option trades right now, and a really long-term volatility portfolio. And you subscribe to that, get all that stuff. And plus, I think I said 3 to 4 posts a day, especially on very busy news days. You get links to all those down below. Plus, as I said, we moved to Venice in September of 2023. We, being my wife and I, we started a Substack called We Moved to Italy, all about our adventures here. So last summer we were in Sicily. Right now we're back in Venice. The most recent post is about the fun of shopping for fruit and vegetable at the big Rialto fish, fruit, and vegetable market here in Venice. So if you like that, go to Substack, We Moved to Italy, and that's also free. Love to have you follow along. Ciao.